Kubor nag-shlem jong unongsan Hima.
Academy banyak still. Iki kerja let's say 10-15 years back, but student jom pada guna. Iki kerja difference.
Okay, the difference hi kalong ba minta with long hockey ball minchwa kalong ba whatever they're getting from the school ni kalong ba entirely kalong ba from the school side. No, and they minta with social media. No, they can Google a lot. They get more information. They ngapit hockey ball minchwa ru ngapit ka even for going for tuitions so kam dadon e. And they minta because there's a lot of competition. Put academic competition, and because of that, the majority of the students they're getting extra help. No? So, okay. The kalian juga school we have given our best. No? We have given our best, and like one of our students, he congenial. Is one student who did not go for tuitions. He did not go for tuitions, and so because of that, I would just say credit also goes to the school. No, kata kashpun pau no ba ka ba yo na school that was enough for him.
Jadi ni ki kena kastan beli banyak pihak macam injection dan extra class ni jingkai bahkan special guys.
Ki extra class ki don number ba towards the end of the year. They don't need like special classes for them. But they still need to get extra coaching. So during the winters, of course, we do a lot of coaching for them.
Kan ngut pipa muka kan ega.
Nipa prapu kandai ngut. All passed.
First. Kalau kan tak pasti 100%.
100% pass.
So are you happy with the performance of the school? Yes.
Very happy. We were expecting more.
Yes, how many to come in top 20?
Pardon?
Expecting how many in top 20?
Okay, exact number, but more than, of course.
More than
two. When we looked at the marks, they just missed by maybe just by a few marks. But anyway, we were so happy. So very happy, especially for the two students who have really done the school proud, and to be able to be in the top 10 for one of them, and of course happy getting the 11th position. It's a proud moment for the institution.
Dan am kapor ba school jeng pi ka top 20 top pass.
Throughout semua orang ngila ala maintain te. Kan ngila. Gaduh kapor hi bangala. Took over as the principal long nila juyo with have a top 20 pun impat yo that was a dream. Kata tahi ka bangi community because we have to work harder. When it comes to that, but extra hard work has to be put in both by the school and also by the students.
Ngi pai ni ka tan tang ka school jong pi bat ka sinot wa kamwan ni top 20. Boleh kini kiwei kimla.
Firstly, I will not talk about other schools. Of course, looking at results here, I think the main reason is the good foundation. The good foundation. And because of that, it's because of that, so when they go to higher classes, we don't encourage rote learning. That do encourage bakin use the creativity. I jingly he happen what he answers from the textbook. He happen taught he answers. Along extra work and it really helps in the end. As they go up to higher classes, but they long when come they get ready-made answers notes just started learning reason of things. That's why that has really helped And because of that, bagi ke English ke congki kalau klan hak kata bentar ni, te kila te bentar ke ada subjects tu. Maka that is the main strong point.
Kini
Bagi
kibuan
lang strong hak.
kini kibuan Shakhmat top 20 kita baik Naduh Dangrit kibuan Skul na.
Yes, kita ni Hafi ay congenial lawan Naduh Dangrit. Hafi which class? Ha? Class 7.
Bagi Kham Shakhmat kilawan Dangrit.
Kini kibun ni baba kila foundation bet ang mga karani kata yang ko foundation kada kiyo ang nihi kalong very strong. Henry it also depends so much on the hard work no. Kama mentan nga ongi ba continually day balong very consistent. Okay, la dep itu maka health he has some health issues no. Just 2 years back also there was something in the family about lakta ngaya ibu. So we thought that would affect psychologically. Andre ni ibre ba kata kan la ta ban apre kita gijing kata ia kundu in the family kata kadin that encouraged him more and he was okay, I would just say challenged by everything that has happened.
Kani ka school ki kena ki debate tang kasih sedang kita di ba Bombay kasih ro ba school.
Ni dan tambah very small now.
Berkilala banyak kun ber kita bahasa lain ka school. School jumpi lawa.
Kata ke di Bangila ban compete with other schools, that is an achievement for Western Academy.
Tu ko bengi kitbok buat terang banwan Shakhmat do kedawan tu. Nak cuci.
Ikermen ya ka iki babah Shakhmat mama.
Okay.